Hold the baseline, mark corners. The lane clear, watch the swing. Road crown good, open for low boys.
Leg center lines locked, protect hubs.
Cut to grade, leave 50 millimeters for trim.
Hands clear, lower slow, hold.
Start hammer.
Flow count logged, continue to set. Embed plates face north, double check.
Spacing clear. Keep cover blocks in.
Slump within spec, start placing.
Vibrate edges, don't overwork center.
Cure logs updated, no foot traffic.
King, keep clearance tight.
Node within tolerance, tack and hold. On 3, raise 2%, hold. J-tube angle correct, complete stitch. DFT meet spec, tag it complete.
Pin in. Snug bolts, no full torque.
Fire watch ready. Start route pass. Tighten 2 turns, watch the plumb.
No indications, release the joint.
Anode station A3 set. Weld sequence, okay.
Tie off confirmed, bolt to torque spec.
Keep tray clear, brace node, shift 30. Elevation matches, set on stools, hold. Use grade 10.9 only, mark torque lines.
Twist is minimal. Geometry accepted.
Humidity acceptable, proceed, stripe code. Beam level, shim, then lock bolts. Axle load's good, raise 20 millimeters. Clearance tight, creep forward, stop. Tide window open, continue strand pull.
Sea fastening complete, prep for sail.
Weather holds, depart on my call.
Maintain heading, stand by for lift. Sea fastening free, connect slings now. T-minus minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear. Clear the deck, lift steady, no swing. Heel at 10, continue controlled lower. ROV confirms clear, bring to vertical. Touchdown confirmed, slacken 5%. Centering good, lower another meter. Record blows, drive to target set. Elevation confirmed. Connect grout hoses.
Grout return visible, hold rate steady.
Jacket secured, move to topsides modules.
Match holes now. No reaming offshore.
Guardrails first, then continue grading.
Land on shims, check level both axes.
Numbers verified, start route on spool 12.
Flange faces clean. Install new gaskets.
Check seals, log any dents now.
Maintain 300 millimeter clearance. No exceptions.
Tag both ends, match loop sheet numbers. Leave valve handles free. Keep tags visible.
Keep egress clear. Stack materials off path.
Penetration centered. Don't crush conduits.
Feather edges. Keep corners straight.
Use marine primer, log batch number.
Coverage good. Remove masking carefully.
Seams tight, roll it twice, no bubbles.
Place console on isolators, don't drag.
Test emergency circuit. Confirm autonomy. Keep camber per spec, measure every bay. Squay within 3 millimeters, lock the corners. Anti-slip, verified, torque is in sequence.
Our audio contains speech. A foreman is giving clear instructions amidst the...
Seal compression good, log the door test.
Maintain slope. Water must run off.
Sealant continuous, no gaps at laps.
Hold pressure, inspect all flanges now.
Tag it, close by end of shift. Preservation sealed, ready for loadout.
Confirm ballast, then we start module 1.
Creep forward, watch the starboard corner. Steady, continue pull, hold line.
Weld ID logged. Complete the brace set.
Lock the restraints, no loose gear on board. Lift slow, hold at 1 meter for check.
Orientation correct, set it on the marks.
Preheat okay, complete the corner braces.
Helideck ready, protect the edge net posts. Swing slow, hold steady over grillage. Keep fingers off, use bars, not hands. All modules secured, ready to sail.
Sea state within limit, maintain speed.
First lift, Module 1, confirm all radios. Braces free, connect slings, stand clear. Swing left 1, hold, lower slow. Pins seated, snug bolts, then torque. Lower 10 centimeters, hold, pins ready.
Gasket seated, torque cross pattern, then tag.
Clear the deck, swing helideck in, clear.
4, 3, 2, 1, clear.
Torque complete, verified net post secure. Set flare boom, check clearance to deck. MT clean, release crane, proceed tie-ins. Alarm test good, log and reset panel.
Those items verified. Prepare for final clean.
Housekeeping passed. Handover dossier ready.
Subscribe, like, and share.